Hi there, it's Tyrus again with my final ask for funding assistance for research travel for my L'Atelier de l'Amour, or Workshop of Love, exhibition and book project covering the artist couples of Stanley Hayter's famed Atelier 17. There are already several videos and written narratives outlining the purpose of this project, along with the research and travel accomplished up to this point. So I'll let you review that if you have any additional questions. For this video, I want to specifically lay out the research plans for 2025. My travel goal is to spend about 2 weeks in France. What all I am able to accomplish is dependent upon the amount of funding and individual schedules. Ideally, I would like to start in Paris, the birthplace of Atelier 17. For about a year, I have corresponded with Carla Esposito Hayter, the daughter-in-law of Stanley Hayter. She provided the bulk of the information for the 2023 exhibition catalog, Form, Growth, and Variation, the experimental prints of Helen Phillips, for which I was asked to provide images of works by Philip from my collection. Mrs. Esposito Hayter has organized the archive of Helen Phillips, Stanley Hayter's second wife, which includes journals and correspondence that would be extremely helpful in my research. Additionally, if possible, I would like to meet with Desiree Hayter, the third wife of Stanley Hayter, to confirm some lingering information and details about him. Next, I will take a train or airplane down to Nice, situated on the French Riviera. Just outside of Nice resides Jim Munson. Our schedules ultimately conflicted in 2023, and I was unable to meet him in person. I would like to spend a day or two with Munson in his studio. There we will be able to view works by him and his late wife Isolde Baumgart. He has provided great information about the two of them already, but these in-person meetings always uncover so much more than the questions I form from thousands of miles away. From Nice, I will drive along the coast, then turn northward toward Aix-en-Provence, one of the favorite painting locations of Paul Cézanne. Following the path of the Rhone River, I will again stay in Montélimar in the Ardèche region. This is the largest city close to the tiny village of Alba-la-Romaine. This village is where several Atelier 17 artists made their homes. The daughter of Patricia Sanderson, a British-born artist, still resides there. She maintains the artwork and correspondence of her mother, as well as that of Ted Appleby, Sanderson's later life partner, and Hope Manchester, Appleby's wife. Little is known of these artists outside of this little village. Aside from sorting through and organizing the materials housed there, there's also a local historical society which holds materials on the 20 or so artists, many related to Atelier 17, who made Alba-la-Romaine their home. This is perhaps the most important part of the journey, since the information housed in Alba is somewhat shrouded in mystery. A big part of my funding push right now is the May 9th fundraiser, Roulette on the Riviera. This lively party will be held in Ocala, Florida, and I invite any people in the area to come join in the fun while supporting this project. For those not in the area or unavailable on that evening, you can still donate through the original GoFundMe page. I'm sure you are aware that the dollar is down against the euro currently, so every aspect of this travel will be more expensive than it was 2 years ago. And as I have noted before, one of the artists that I met in 2023 passed away last year. The information I am collecting through this research could easily be lost without someone methodically sifting through it all. Additionally, this information is not just for my planned exhibition and book. I freely share the resources I find with other scholars in this field. My research is enabling others to expand their own work too. Your support of this research allows us to build on the already strong foundation, to expand the knowledge and allow additional researchers to go even further in years to come. Thank you for your earlier support, and please consider a gift at this crucial time. If you know of others who might be interested in helping bring this project to completion, please consider sharing the project with them as well. Again, I appreciate all the assistance that has brought me to this point and every bit that pushes me to and past this final goal. Thank you.